How we clean an HVAC unit on the outside after we've cleaned the inside of it. All right, so let me jump across this little ravine here. So we've already cleaned the inside of it. We've checked the electrical connections. We've checked all of that. Unit is operating really well, but we have this nasty green slime that comes on these units. Let me show you what it looks like. So you see that there? Really has nothing to do with the operation of the system, but we like to get that cleaned off. So let me show you exactly how it's done. So what we're going to do is we're going to get some soap on here. We're just going to get some light soap just like that. All right, let's put that off to the side. Get some water. While I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and clean the other one. Just get a little soap on there. All right, let me get you a before photo. There's the green. Look at how that looks. This one is a lot cleaner. Here, we're going to go ahead and turn these units off, and off. Go ahead and close that. Make sure no water gets in there. And let's get this water on this soap here. We're just going to take this brush here and just brush it just like that. Super quick, super easy, and tons of fun. All right, so this here is going to be very hard to get clean. I'm not trying to get it completely spotless on the pad. I just want it to look as nice as the house does, at least somewhat. Okay, we can get at least a lot of the black gunk off of it so it doesn't look hideous when they have a cookout over here or some friends walking around and it's like, oh, look at that AC unit. Okay. And I know when you've been to new construction neighborhoods, you can see how nice the new units look. All right, let's get this one over here nice and cleaned off. Just brush that, get that dirt off of the corners there. The fins have already been cleaned. We're just brushing off a lot of this green off of here. And this doesn't have to be done every time because it takes years for that moss to grow up. So I'll go ahead and brush these off just once on one of the trips, not necessarily on both of them. All right, we've got this nice plastic pad. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this before it dries off. The old thumb trick. We've been doing that since we were kids, haven't we? Oh, hey, no problem. No problem.
Thank you for coming back out and doing that. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. I'm gonna make a video too for the guys.
Okay.
We normally don't do it. Okay. I used to do it because I've been cleaning units for 20 years.
Yeah.
And it just was something I did.
Yeah.
It doesn't have anything to do with the unit, but since you mentioned it, I said, well, I think we'll start cleaning it. Because the moss, you only have to do it maybe once every 2 years. It takes a couple years to build.
Yeah, it takes, I mean, just like the side of our house, it clearly needs to be done, but it's been like a year since we've done it. So
Yeah. Oh, that right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the sun doesn't hit this side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I just want to say thank you.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
No problem. All right, take a look at that. Now the pad, that's really hard to get clean, but look at the unit. No more of that green stuff. It looks like it did almost when it was installed. And this unit is from 2017, so it's not too old. And that black pad got really, really nice. So that's how we clean them on the outside of it, make it look super new. And of course, we can't forget the most important thing after you clean the unit is to go ahead and make sure you turned it back on. So we'll get these both back on here. All right, thanks for watching.